Jiangsu Yubang Electronic Technology Company Limited, founded in 2019, is a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D design, manufacturing, sales, and service, specializing in multiple product categories, including solar-powered outdoor seating, domestic outdoor seating, entrance doors, fire doors, domestic fencing, smart waste bins, and bus shelters. The company has a rich and diverse product portfolio. In addition to the core product categories mentioned above, it also covers a full range of municipal facilities, specifically including waste bins, solar-powered waste bins, solar fruit crates, reading boards, solar-powered scrolling light boxes, LED light boxes, advertising waste bins, insect repellent light boxes, wall-mounted scrolling light boxes, and community light boxes, which can fully meet the application needs of multiple scenarios, such as municipal engineering, community construction, and commercial supporting facilities. Since its establishment, the company has always adhered to the core business principles of integrity, fairness, and win-win cooperation, and provided efficient and strict quality full process services with a commitment to excellence. At present, the company has accumulated rich experience in technological R&D, built mature and stable market channels, and established a sound brand reputation. It can provide customers with cost-effective products and customized service solutions. The company is actively advancing strategic transformation and expanding overseas markets by virtue of its existing technological and product advantages.